The river 2. A digital river is a sequence of numbers where every number is followed by the same number plus the sum of its digits. In such a sequence, 123 is followed by 129, since 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6, which again is followed by 141. We call it a digital river k, if it starts with the value k. For example, river 7 is the sequence beginning with 7, 14, 19, 29, 40, 44, 52. And river 471 is the sequence beginning with 471, 483, 498, and 519. Digital rivers can meet. This happens when two digital rivers share the same values. River 32 meets river 47 at 47, while river 471 meets river 480 at 519. Given a number, decide whether it can be a meeting point of two or more digital rivers. For example, it's easy to check that only river 20 contains the number 20 in its sequence. So I'm going to use Python for this puzzle, and the first line, which codingame has provided, is a integer r1, and for output it is yes if r1 can be a meeting point of two digital rivers. If not, then it will become no. So the constraints, if 1 less than equal to r1 is less than, I think it's 10,000 or 100,000. Yeah, 100,000. So that's the constraints. And for example, if the input is 20, then the output will be no. So there's 11 test cases for me to solve. The first one is test 20. The second one is lucky 13. The third one is the 3y. The fourth one is the 4 sets. The fifth one says yes please. The sixth one says 4 8s. The seventh one is big. 8th one is maybe yes this time. Number 9 is random 1. 10 is random 2. 11 is random large. And lastly, the 12th one is random small. So let's solve it.